In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Gmail using just a few simple steps. This process is straightforward, allowing you to manage your contacts efficiently and send group emails effortlessly. First, open Gmail and log into your account. In the upper right corner, you'll see a grid icon representing Google Apps. Click on it to expand a list of apps, then select Contacts. This will take you to the central hub for managing all your saved contacts and creating groups. Once the Contacts page loads, focus on the left sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Labels with a plus icon next to it. Click the plus icon to create a new group label. A prompt will appear asking for a label name. Choose something descriptive and easy to remember, like team or family. Then click Save to create your group label. Now it's time to add contacts to this group. Browse your list of contacts and hover over a contact you want to add. A checkbox will appear next to their name. Click it to select the contact. With the contact selected, look at the top of the contact list for the label icon. Clicking it allows you to manage labels for your contacts. Select the label you created earlier by checking the box next to it. Then click Apply. He will pause to save your changes. Repeat this process for every contact you wish to include in your group. To use this group label in Gmail, return to your inbox and click the Compose button to start a new email. In the To field, type the name of the label you created. It will appear in a drop-down list. Select it, and all the contacts in that group will be added as recipients. You can now compose and send your group email. This method streamlines sending messages to multiple people, saving you both time and effort. Additionally, you can create multiple group labels for different teams, projects, or social circles, making your email management more organized and efficient. With this approach, you can handle both personal and professional communication seamlessly, ensuring you never forget to include someone important in your emails. Remember, updating your group by adding or removing contacts is just as easy, so your lists stay current. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to create and use group emails in Gmail, helping you communicate smarter, not harder. Happy emailing.